How to create a VPN profile on Android without an app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can create a VPN profile on Android without an app. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So, to create a VPN, what you can do is first navigate to your settings. On your settings, you'll need to head over to Network and Internet. Then there you'll find a VPN option. Tap on VPN. And here you'll find the plus icon on the top right. Tap on it, or you can also see an Add VPN Network option. Whichever you see, just tap on it. Now all you have to do is just enter the details. So here on the name, just give a connection your name, such as maybe a work VPN. After that, you can select a VPN protocol. So select whichever is the one that you use. Then find the server address. Now the server address will be provided to you maybe by your provider or your work or whomever you're creating this VPN for. And after that, also give it your IPsec identifier and your pre-shared key. After you do all of that, you can then tap on the save option and connect. And that's how you create a VPN profile on Android without an app. And that is it for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.